Well, croeso I Port, Sean. Welcome to the club.
Thank you.
It was a difficult game in really hard conditions today. Any thoughts about it?
I thought we started poorly, and then after the goal, we sort of settled in, and we deserved to be, well, we deserved to score really. But obviously conditions very difficult, very boggy. But no, I thought we probably second half, especially, we deserved to get the 3 points. But on hindsight, I think it's quite a good away point. You know, Gresffordd aren't a bad side, so no, I'm obviously happy to be starting and playing a full 90. My back's hurting although.
Yeah, it was your first game for Porthmadog, and I know your father used to play for the club.
Yeah, he did. He played in the mid to late 70s, a few seasons here, and I just thought it was quite fitting for me to join this club. It's a really good club. It's a Welsh Premier club, to be honest. Obviously with the Welsh Prem going into 12 teams a few years back now, and those, obviously Port want to be there, and that's why I've come, because I know that the ambition of the club, and I just want to enjoy my football again and hopefully play Welsh Premier football, if not this season, next season with Porthmadog.
And of course we've got the Cobbies away in a week's time, just after Christmas.
Yeah, I haven't played them for a while. Apart from, actually no, I have real last year in the Welsh Cup, but in terms of league games, I've not played them. It'd be nice to play on a Boxing Day against another good big club. I scored a few there in the past, so hopefully I can maybe bag one or at least assist one.
Yeah, well, good luck. Enjoy Christmas.
Thank you.
Dol llawen.
Dol llawen.
Don't eat too much food over Christmas. No. We need you. We need you up for the game on Boxing Day.
Stay off the mince pies.
All the best, Ed.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thanks.